What is up, everyone? So the last time you saw me, we showed off the stanky zanky, this field find S14. Found this car, well, like someone on Instagram found this car in a field in Florida and they shipped it up to me. It's been sitting for what we think to be 10 years. The car is absolutely disgusting. The engine bay looks like there was a family of rodents in it. The next couple days, our goal is to try and clean up and see what comes back, right? I think it'd be really fun. The car has really good bones. If you saw the last video, you would see how nice, at least its skeleton, I'd say.
It's, you know, it's like, you know, you can't judge a book by its cover. It looks, you know, pretty beat on the outside.
It's probably got a good story, though.
But that thing, you know, it's got a good soul.
Okay.
Who the hell reads books?
Definitely not you.
But this thing is so gross, but I'm so excited to see what happens with it. And we've all been dying to just power wash the thing, right? That's step number one, but it's snowing out. So today's probably not the day for it. So I figured, let's jump a step and see if we can get this thing running. And well, we have a special guest here.
Hey, I ain't special. I mean, we in town. We gonna make shit happen.
So that's my buddy Aidan. He's from Virginia. You guys have you've been on my vlogs before, like here and there. And we've been trying to get him up here for the longest time, a good excuse. And well, he's got a YouTube channel. I'll put the link in the description.
Hey, Aidan Templin. It's simple, shameless plug.
And
Hey, run them numbers, bro.
he's the man for cleaning up cars. And well, I made him come up to put him to work. And the next couple days, we should have some. Don't do it. Bruh. Look at Jip. He's already ready for it. Don't. Okay, fine. You can do a little coin. I guarantee that won't even do anything.
Yeah, well.
We'll find out.
I kind of want to know.
About to find out.
Nothing. Literally did nothing.
Yikes.
What do you've done this before? What are you thinking? Can be rough?
I think it's gonna be good with a good power washing. You know, a couple little scrubby scrubs. I think.
Yeah, we'll see. Luckily, we got a lot of hands here. Hopefully, we'll have them the next couple of days when we actually go to wash the thing.
It's a shame that half the clear is going, but
Yeah.
I think it'd be hilarious to just do paint correction on like what's left. You know what I mean?
Just you wait, because we're gonna blast all this clear off, and you could probably somewhat buff like the existing
Yeah,
base.
well, I'm really excited to see what's gonna happen with this adhesive here, because this is like rock hard adhesive. But I brought my steamer. I brought my steamer and a lot of motivation.
Okay, I see you.
So I don't know where
I'm
it's
just
gonna
Jip. Stop.
Heavy grip.
But this is gonna be, when we go to power wash this side, it is gonna be the most satisfying video to ever exist.
And when the glass is good, oh my god.
So we are not touching that today. What we are doing today, and by the title of this video, we are attempting to start this thing. Yes, this engine that hasn't ran in 10 years, that has, well, a field on top of it. You got this?
No.
Chip is ready.
He's so ready. So we were hoping to like power wash the engine bay first, but we can't be doing that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try and vacuum out and blow out as much of this rat nest as we can, and hope that there's enough harness left to get this thing running.
I think she'll run. We're gonna see some stuff coming out that exhaust real quick.
Get it.
Let's go.
Get your bare hands off. You can't bareback that.
Are you kidding me? I'm barebacked a lot worse.
Oh my god. So game plan, let's just try to get the bulk of it out first with our hands. So everyone grab some gloves and let's just start digging away. I want to let you know I love you all and thank you for helping me dig dirt out of this dirty zanky. Okay. All right, boys, get some handfuls, throw it in the trash.
Did you see these coil packs?
The wires, they're gone.
Holy, look at this.
That was a hungry mouse, dude. That was a rat.
Well fed. It's one of those well fed.
Wait, ant live in this engine bay?
We'll worry about that later.
If I get bit by something, I'm gonna be tight sticking my finger in these crevices.
They evacuated though. They don't.
Oh yeah, they don't live here no more.
They left pretty hungry though. You gotta break all this shit.
I guess my dreams of starting this thing today is very
I think they
low.
left pretty full.
What the hell?
They lived in here for how long, you gotta think?
Memories. They made memories in here.
I mean, it's working pretty good. Luckily, it's all pretty dry in there, so it's not really clumping together.
That's why you don't pressure wash it, because then you'd have a real bad time. It'd be real muddy.
See, I would have went straight to power
Yeah,
wash.
no, you can't do that. And then once we're done vacuuming, you gotta blow it all out with the air compressor. You know,
Okay,
little
alright.
stuff, you know. Oh my god, yo, what is going on?
What are you?
Yo, put that thing on blow.
Get it, Jip! What is happening?
This guy.
I'm not gonna lie, this is a lot worse than I thought. Look at it, it looks like a new car.
Yeah, sure.
We're far from it.
Yeah, no, we're far from it. But you could see things now. Before you couldn't even tell what was going on.
Yeah, we're gonna get the air compressor, blow some shit out.
The plug wires are chewed through in the back. That's pretty cool. That's easy, right? That's a quick replacement. Distributor wire is good. You know, that's an important one. As far as the injectors goes, they did not survive the mouse infestation.
They deleted.
They deleted them.
We don't need those. What do you need them for?
Nope. Bluetooth injectors. So still a lot of junk in here. It's pretty crazy. At this point, this is probably where I would have power washed it because it would hopefully shoot it out, but
Nah.
no, still not.
Nah.
No, just
I'm
pump.
serious. You get the air compressor, get all the, because there's still so much clump. Look,
I know. There's
still got so much more clump.
There's
in
probably a whole
here.
mouse hotel inside.
Once you
these
get a majority of that out, then it's time to.
So I think everyone's very curious, how does the airbox look? Because usually when cars sit, that's where the mice go first.
Clean.
What?
Clean.
Wow.
That's brand new. I mean, not brand new, but brand
Put
new.
in DJ's JZ. Look at that. How is there nothing in there? This car's
They saw
so
this
weird.
and they're like, nah, we're good. We're going back to the
Usually
intake.
they eat that up first.
Tell you what,
You can reuse that.
Yeah.
looks like DJ's underwear.
Dude, I'm so upset about the injectors.
Don't need them.
It's nice that it looks clean, but it's bad because now there's 20 wires that we didn't think were chewed up, and now are chewed up.
We can see if it cranks right now. You want to see if it cranks?
Yeah.
I got no objections.
All right, I gotta disrupt you with this advertisement for just a second, but we have new merch. It's not really new designs, it's an old design, but we've been playing with color waves just to kind of like get a feel for things, and we've been kind of having some fun. So we have the Oaks Garage classic logo right here in a blood red on the black. That's hot. Everything I own is red and black, just like this t-shirt. Have the PB&J. It's kind of purple with like a khaki color, but I call it the Smuckers design. I don't think it's cool.
It's fucking sick.
You like
honestly.
it?
Yeah,
it's
really
pretty
good.
dope,
I like
right?
that.
We also have the KA all day. Since we are working on a KA car, I felt like it was very fitting. We got a lot of requests to bring this one back. So this one's green with the khaki color. I call it the off-white, but like, technically it's probably in khaki. And then we have the KA all day, coarse and blood red on the black.
Fire.
Fire, right?
Absolute fire.
So
yeah.
good. And then last one is the hoodie I'm wearing, which is just like kind of like a more wash green than the last green we did, with like the off-white khaki. It's just a good color combo.
It's
so
nice, yeah.
if you guys want to cop one, of course, shop below, Hop Jimmy O. We don't have too many, so if you want to cop one, hop on now. So let's get back to work.
Perfect. Yeah.
What kind of battery
This is the Submariner battery, I
It's
think.
supposed to be like right here.
Oh, that's true. I got jump.
What?
Like a boat jip?
Submariner.
Did you say Submarine?
Submariner.
Mariner.
Submarine.
Submarine.
No.
Subpar. that's for sure.
Submariner is a boat company.
Santa Maria.
I'm saying the battery is a Submariner.
Is that the right term?
There's no way this has any big on. You got door shine?
Clicking at me. I don't know what's clicking.
Put it in park.
Put it in sport.
Always in sport.
Do it again.
That's all the juice she had.
Juice.
Oh, it's just a shit connect. Give me a second.
I think we blew something. A fuse, maybe? You think it was just a little crusty connection?
Can you see it? Surprised he even got power in the first place.
I see a lot of stuff in there.
Oh, there's like fucking, what is that thing?
Dude, cockroaches.
It's like, I've never seen a cockroach in my life.
Bro, it's a fake one.
Nah, one of them just dipped down there, bro.
No way.
Yo, someone said cock?
Get the needle noses. Get the.
That's foul.
Where?
You didn't see a live one. Oh, now we got roaches. Yeah, shut my window on my car, please.
Get that shit out of here, bro.
I need to inspect. It looks like a fake one. Look how shiny it is.
No way.
Oh, it's still alive.
No, it's not.
It's soft.
It is soft.
This ain't a good start. I'll tell you that.
What do we got? Oh, hold up. Back it off. Try now. Did it kick? It kicked power again?
What the hell?
Hit it. Oh! It's stop.
Bro, look at the stuff in the belts flying all over the place.
Okay, well, we know the engine isn't seized. The starter is hurt or it's just not getting good connection. I mean, probably not because everything's corroded and gross, but engine is not seized. Step one.
Big win.
Check.
For sure.
We talked about this from the beginning. Where this thing holds value and where it's actually strong is the bare shell itself, the bones, right? And I would say most guys these days are buying 240s as shells. So I still think I'm doing pretty good value-wise in the shell itself, right?
It's all there.
Because if I pulled this engine, you guys would probably think it's a way nicer car.
Signals.
Yo, make her dance.
Chip, what are you doing in there?
Bro,
What the f?
Okay, so we got one bolt.
Okay, well listen. The chassis wiring doesn't look to be chewed up, which is fantastic. They just went straight for the engine, so that's good news. Chip, crank it. Start. Nice. Try it now.
I do have to. Wow, that sounds like my K when it was first starting.
Still sounds like it.
Why don't we hear what yours sounds like? Ready? This is his car, right? Here. Hopes and dreams.
3 batteries, a pack, a big
You got
wire.
the pack on?
The pack's out.
Pack's
dude.
on.
All right, hit it, Ant.
Oh my God,
just
we're
need-
getting somewhere.
Yeah, you
huh?
just need a battery with some charge in it.
3 batteries. They're all
Jesus.
charged. That's a weird thing. Here, do it again. The grounds on this thing are so bad.
This thing in this.
Oh! Alright, let's get this off. I'll get some starting fluid, and I'll get some new plug
We'll just
wires.
force feed it.
I couldn't find plug wires, so I found Volkswagen plug wires, and I kind of just spliced them together, and I hope they work.
I mean, those are the most high-tech things on this car right now, so.
Yeah. Who's working throttle?
Me.
There's no way this is gonna run.
Dude, I'm putting this thing off limiter.
There we go. This is no way it's gonna work, but we have to try it.
Oh,
Gas pedal's stiff as fuck.
there we go.
Is the throttle seized? There we go.
She's gravy.
There you go, you broke her open. All right, full throttle for a second. All right, try and start it. It's gonna go right there. Oh.
What's going on there?
Just tuck it right in there. Yeah. Your sparks flying, there's starter fluid everywhere.
This is gonna be great. I'm gonna stand back.
Ant. Fire Marshal Ant, get on it.
Oh God.
All right, try and start it up.
He's like, how does this thing work?
Literally.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
More starter fluid. That thing will bark.
I've never been so shook in my life.
Yo, she hit.
Oh, I gotta put more stuff. What? Alright, hold on. I know, it needs starter food.
What did I say? That thing's gonna wet.
That did not just happen.
Not just happened. What?
Oh, everyone here, literally everyone in the room is shook.
Did you see all this shit?
Not bad. Not too much. Dude, I've never.
Oh, yeah.
We were expecting a whole family to come out, but a couple walnuts, so it's not bad.
What is that? Yo, that stinks.
Dude, oh my god.
Give this thing more starter fluid. Come
Yeah, Jim's over here like, I want to let
We're doing a brake standing too. Like, let's go.
Alright, you ready?
Do I gotta hold this?
Yeah, you're good. It just ran. It didn't even misfire. Did you hear that?
Dude, she's solid.
That didn't sound bad.
Dude, covered in dust.
I just got the best
He wants to do a burnout so bad. Dude, I am taking that.
Dude, it stinks so bad.
I have like plug wires, spliced. I have 3 batteries and starter fluid.
Give it a steady flow. Let's just clean it out. Like, just hold.
You want to clean her out?
Yeah. Dude.
I'm backing up.
What's he doing?
All right, start her up. Dude, I cannot believe this is running.
Dude, she's.
Come here. Listen to this solid ass intake
You hear that
noise.
induction?
Full throttle for a second. You full throttle?
Dude, I'm
We got it. All right. Start her up.
Let's go.
That's a good motor. I'll put this thing in the Sonda. Oh my god, I'm so
200,000 miles, ain't ran in 10 years.
Dude, she wants it.
You give this thing some good gas, we're doing donuts in 3.
Dude, it might be worth like
This
resealing and just putting back. Yeah. Oh my god.
The numbers match.
This car, this is the
Numbers
first time this thing's ran in
matching,
10
yeah.
years. It's been
that.
sitting for 10 freaking years. And gotta love starter fluid. Derek's gonna be so upset. I'm so upset Derek's not here.
Let's hear that for the one time again.
What?
I know.
Go ahead, Jip.
That's it.
That's it. We earned some pizza, boys. Let's see it. Come on.
Let's go. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Let's go.
Yo, look, she's dancing.
Dude.
She's happy.
That's it.
She's thanking us.
Yeah. She wants pizza too, I think.
Yeah. We'll give her some pizza.
Still can't believe it.
Jip, did you see that?
There we go. Dude, Craigslist ad. Running, driving, just needs a good wash. 10 grand.
Jip,
10 grand.
Jip, did you see that? No, that's right. You were sitting in the car. Huh. It was sick, though. It was sick.
Who's working the throttle while you were flapping gums? Hang on, you forgot your baba.
All right, so it's been a few hours now, and Aidan went heavy in the vacuum
A
cleaner.
little bit. I was doing some sucking, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, and you guys saw we pulled off we removed like a skim layer of dirt just to get to everything, right? There was still so much underneath the intake manifold, underneath the engine. It was so overwhelming, couldn't even see the frame rails, and honestly, I was getting worried for a second. I thought I messed up by buying this car, but after sucking it all out,
After doing some sucking.
after doing some sucking, it kind of just looks like a Northeast 240 now.
Yeah.
Check it out.
It's not bad now.
It is not bad at all. It's so quiet. Sorry, the lighting here sucks. Pull the phones out, boys. Get the phones out, boys.
Yo, we need the
Fancy
phone.
lights you got.
They're all out.
They're all dead.
They're all dead.
From using them all day.
Damn it, Aidan.
There we go.
Grinding, you know what I'm saying?
Look at this. You can see the frame rail now.
Underneath the manifold now.
Look at that. So it actually looks pretty freaking good, and that is without a power wash. This is just with a vacuum. So I cannot wait to see this with power wash, because I mean the car is so straight, and so even Brian thinks it's nice, which is he doesn't think anything's nice.
I've never heard those words. I've never heard those words.
It's
with
nice for what it is,
Brian. Wow.
right?
There's no like bad rust.
Yeah.
I don't know.
The rating support, it's so straight. Yeah, it's never like that.
It's obviously disgusting,
Yeah, it's gross, but it's getting better.
but like it's a pretty nice car. Like if you
Yeah.
wanted to like fully restore a car,
This is not a bad platform. Yeah, which is crazy to think. So I think once the engine bay is power washed, it will surprise a lot of people, and I'm really pumped for that.
Dressing.
Yes, a plastic dress and make it look new, but I still cannot believe this thing ran. I mean,
And it ran good. It didn't just run. It
no,
ran.
it ran good.
It
Yeah,
ran
yeah.
good.
And it has literally no. Look at the injectors are just missing. So
that all right. That makes it surprising to run. But what? Why is this guy surprised? Look at. There's a house of 240s. Okay.
okay, fair enough. Now all I can say is KA all day, baby. This thing sat for 10 years. Speaking of KA all day, Aidan, what do we have in the office that's
Hey,
brand
they
new?
got K all day hoodies. Is
No,
that
no
it?
hoodies, just tees.
No hoodie, tees, and you
Different
better go
colors.
cop.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't even know what I'm preaching right now.
Shop your meal, but this is awesome. I'm so happy, and this is just the beginning of it. So stay tuned for the rest of the videos, and I hope you are excited as excited as I am. I know Aidan's.
I'm stoked. I'm stoked to be here.
It's so good. So probably tomorrow or whatever, we're gonna power wash this thing out in the snow.
Yep.
Not as fun, but
Hey, it'll be worth it though. And it's gonna be.
I'm dying to wash those freaking windows, dude. But I'm being patient. So with that, we're gonna end it. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And Donald,
Have a great night.